Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We are on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and we've been doing some cool stuff, actually. I actually want to show you what we've been doing, but I'm not sure if the stuff that we've been recording, every time it's been crashing each time, and it's getting annoying. I did add a spout here to drink. So I did add that because we're always we have water running everywhere here. So we have a ton of sharks, as you can see. We did make scuba gear. I'm going to put all this on. So I'm going to show you what we did. You're going to love this. This is like so cool. So let me just see what I have on me. I do have... Actually, you know what? I'm just going to drop all this. I really don't need it. Whoops. Oh, damn it. Doesn't matter. So what we're going to do is, I've been upgrading my Megalodon. He's the only one that actually has a harness on it. Okay, so we've been going to the deeps of the ocean with him, and he is like extremely strong. And we're limited for how much air we have, because eventually my gear will actually break. So we have a limit of supply. So we have a substantial amount of Megalodons. I've been upgrading them as I go, but there's so many of them. So we can actually have one go with us, but he is so strong that it doesn't really matter. So we've been using him so we can get oil. So this is like the best way to do it. Believe it or not. So here, look, check this out. So I hop off. Whoops, it would help if I had the right tool on me. And I hop back on again. And I actually, it's far away, believe it or not. And so that's what we have been doing. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, it's the end of the thing. That's cool. Okay. So if you look at the map, you can see where we are. All right, so we're at the edge of it, and we're pretty deep. And we have seen some really crazy creatures down here. Sharks obviously attack us. But he could go pretty quick. He can really boogie. So now I've never been in here before. Let's see what this is. Oh, you gotta be careful. There's a shark. So we can go really deep down. And what is really cool is that we get anglerfish. Here we go. We have to hit the edge again. I'm staying to the sides of this. There's actually anglerfish down here. Like there they are. And you get some really... And we get this angler gel, which actually burns. So we just gotta be careful of his weight on the shark, because he will actually... There's another one. We really don't want to take the food. There's a weird looking creature over there, right? See, what the hell is that thing? Another shark. We're all over the place now. anglerfish too. Now he's overloaded now. So you have to empty him out. I'm trying to remember how I can do that while I'm on him. I don't think there's a way. So I'm just gonna dump everything and upgrade him. So now we can boogie again. And I'm not really too worried about any of that stuff that we just lost. We can get more of it. I'm just showing you what we can do. So here we go. Oh, he is bad. And there's oil, which is what we're down here for. Just make sure there's nobody coming, no creatures, because we're really deep. Because what will happen is he'll run away from me and he'll attack. Which is happening right now. Which is what I didn't want to happen. And happened anyway. Alright, so... Remember last time when I was trying to get oil and I was going down by myself and I was scared? Whoop, that's lightning. It electrocuted us. Oil down here. Just make sure there's nobody around. We'll hop out. Get it. Go back to him. Where is he? Another one. It's scary because you hop off of them and you know what's going to happen. Skate, Sea Ray. Lots of those. We can go down deep, deep, deep with him. And since he is... Wow! What the hell is that? It's an octopus. Right? Is that what that was? Yeah, look at that. Octopus. Hang on. Let's go up and take a look. Hey Google, stop. We have a lot of creatures here, and we're just taking a look, and his health dropped a little bit. Wow, we have quite a few of these things. All right, so we gotta attack these things. One, two. See? Okay, I think we got them all. Let's turn around. Another shark coming. Okay, more oil. Look at all this oil. Oh my god. This is crazy. Let's make sure there's nobody coming. No creatures, and we're going to get all this. Dolphins, they're safe. Let's just hop off and get this. See? You just have to be careful. Because it will protect me. We got more over here. And then we're gonna go back home. No more oil. Look how much we have on us. Just so you can see. We're substantial. So we can make gasoline. Okay. So let's see where we are. He's kind of heavy. So let's take a look at the map. See where we are? We are like really far away. Another creature. Okay. So we're gonna hop off. We're gonna take a look at his inventory. So I want this stuff. This stuff burns great. The chitin and the hide. Everything else he can drop. I'm gonna keep that. And speed and more. Okay, so you want to see how fast this bad boy goes? Let's get him home. Watch this. This is full blast. Let's just save just in case. So hit the map. So we're on our way home. So look. Let's go down. We're almost home. Look at that. And I try to keep them in a specific spot. I'll show you. Right here. Turn around. Right here. And he can still get out. And that's that. And we take this stuff off because you can't really walk too fast in it. And we have to already repair it. So we need polymer, metal ingots, fiber. So what's really unique, which is I want to show you, is that inside of here, actually inside of the other building, hopefully nothing's still running. I forgot if I left it running or not. Because we have plenty of gasoline because of all the oil we've been finding down there, which is amazing. And let's hit save. Yep, we left it running. Great. Well, we were doing lots of polymer and electronics. But it should be done now. Alright, so we made a lot of electronics, a lot of polymer, because we found so much obsidian and so much cementing paste and all kinds of good stuff, metal. And I think this is still going too. Yeah, so we made metal and gasoline. And here, actually no, we made metal ingots. we just put gasoline here. We've been making so much gasoline, so now we're going out of style here. So now I can actually move this over and repair this. I made more of them because we had so much, but I can actually do a repair just in case. So I keep all this stuff in here just for repairs. So this is going to be a little mini episode. And then we made generators and made this generator, fill it up with gas because we got so much oil now. It's great. Now we have the shark. And this is going to be for food. And I made so much food in this. Whoops. That's been helpful if I didn't walk there. So this, I don't have any meat on me. I wanted to show you. This thing cooks so fast. It's not even funny. That's why I have so much on me. Right here, 41. So I can eat. And I stored it. That's why we have so much oil now. Making gasoline. So I made all this meat. It was so fast. It boogied, man. Boogied. Alright, so this is a short episode. Probably right after. I don't even know when I'm going to. Probably Sunday. Maybe another one Sunday evening, 10 o'clock maybe. I don't know. This is just going to be a short one. But anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like what you're seeing and everything is going cool, that's awesome. Alright, guys, have a good one. See you next time.